I am Dr. Andrew Doan. Have you wondered if pets improve our emotional health? Can dogs affect our hormone levels? Can dogs change our heart rate and blood pressure? In this video, I will answer these questions and discuss the 7 ways pets can enhance our health. Over centuries, dogs and various pets have been bred for human companionship. These furry and some scaly friends provide significant health benefits too. Here are the ways pets improve our health. Most of the research completed to date have been on dogs and cats. Apart from dogs and cats, rabbits, fish, and tortoises have been studied. Therefore, if a pet reptile or fish bring you joy and happiness, then your brain and body will likely respond in similar ways. Benefit number 1, companionship. The presence of a dog provides companionship, which can help reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation, and therefore reduce anxiety. In this small study, 20 kids were studied in a dental clinic, which, as you all know, can be quite stressful seeing a dentist.
I'm a dentist, open your mouth.
I'm scared.
By the way, the fear of seeing a dentist is called dentophobia. The researchers demonstrated that 15 minutes of animal-assisted therapy with a dog reduced the kids' anxiety significantly while waiting for their dental appointment in the waiting room. Benefit number 2, physical touch. Petting, cuddling, or simply being close to a dog or pet can release oxytocin, a neuropeptide that promotes feelings of bonding and reduces stress. In this research study, oxytocin was measured in dog owners as they looked at their dogs. Oxytocin was detected in the urine. The dog owners interacted with their dogs for 20 minutes and urinary oxytocin was measured. Oxytocin levels of dog owners who interacted with their dogs were compared to owners who didn't look at their dogs. Urinary oxytocin was higher in the owners who interacted with their dogs. So therefore, dogs can boost their owners' oxytocin levels, which is a neuropeptide of the brain that promotes bonding and also reduces stress. Benefit number 3, routine and responsibility. A dog is completely dependent on their owners for survival. Caring for a dog requires establishing routines, which can provide structure and a sense of purpose, reducing anxiety associated with uncertainty.
Tending to his needs gives my life purpose.
Benefit number 4, exercise. Dogs need regular exercise, which encourages their owners to engage in physical activity. Exercise reduces stress hormones and increases endorphin production. Their owners look and feel better too. Benefit number 5, reduce cortisol levels. Interacting with dogs has been shown to lower cortisol levels, a hormone associated with stress, thereby reducing anxiety. In this research study, even a 5-minute therapy dog interaction reduced cortisol levels in emergency department physicians and nurses. Benefit number 6, decreased heart rate and blood pressure. Research has shown that petting a dog can lead to decreased heart rate and blood pressure, promoting relaxation. If you want a good paper reviewing the research studying the benefits of pet ownership, then I recommend that you read this one. Benefit number 7, therapeutic benefits. Therapy dogs are trained to provide emotional support and comfort to individuals experiencing anxiety or stress, particularly in clinical settings. I know many people who have benefited greatly by a trained therapy dog. For instance, when the individual gets anxious, the dog will nudge the person to divert attention to the dog and thereby reduce the anxiety. Now keep in mind that people don't react to pets the same. Some may be physically allergic to pets. They may be allergic to the fur, the dander, the saliva, the urine, or even the sweat.
Say, I am allergic to dogs.
There are some people who may have bad emotional responses based on prior experiences with that type of animal or creature, and therefore, instead of boosting oxytocin levels and reducing cortisol, they actually get activated and go into a fight or flight mode. In a fight or flight mode, the hypothalamus pituitary adrenal axis gets activated, and now cortisol goes up as well as adrenaline, and that is not a good place to be. Therefore, pick the pet that you like. If you look at your pet and you feel love, happiness, and joy, most likely oxytocin is being released, and then also cortisol is being reduced in your bloodstream, thereby giving you emotional benefit.
I love animals.
Please share your comments about pet ownership below. Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Until next time, I wish you health and joy.